Speaking to the media, Mr. Singh informed that the cattle that were seized in the border, if not taken by the agencies, had to be kept under their care, which became a menace to the Jawans since they had to tend the cattle instead of performing their duties. The smugglers are apprehended, intervened, and investigation with the police is carried out. The smugglers are then handed over to the police.
They have already state government given orders they have created locations for keeping the cattle. But still in a few areas there are some difficulties where some civil administration or the district commissioner say that there are shortage of the funds to feed the cattle. But we are in touch with them regularly, so that the cattle are managed properly. And the constraint is for us also, and the constraint is for respective district commissioners. Sometimes they may be having shortage of funds to manage such a large number of cattle. Our constraint is if cattle we have seized, like yesterday night also we have seized some cattle. So if these cattle are not taken by the respective agency very soon, they are with us. So then it's very difficult for us to keep those cattle. Then our Jawan, instead of doing duties, they have to manage the cattle. So that difficulty is there. But now we are able to manage with the help of the respective district commissioners. Some extent this management is better now as in the previous years. So I hope that the management will be improved in the coming days. Not seizing the cattle in interior areas. When they reach near to the borders, then we seize the cattle. So as I have told that during this year we have seized more than 10,000 cattle. So whenever they reach in the border areas and we find that these cattle are not for use in Meghalaya or maybe smuggled, so then we seize the cattle. Even we apprehend the person who are involved in that smuggling, and these are the FIR is lodged against them in the police stations, and further investigation is done by the police, and cattle are kept in the area which are specified and they are feeded there.